Welcome to Montessori Education.
మాంటిసోరీ ఇంగ్లీష్ మీడియం స్కూల్ అడ్మిషన్లు జరుగుచున్నవి. మాంటిసోరీ ఇంగ్లీష్ మీడియం స్కూల్, బుర్రిపాలెం రోడ్, తెనాలి. ఫోన్ 08644227115.
Hello, welcome to 10th class trigonometry video 14. Today we are going to learn the sums in the exercise 12.1. Exercise 12.1. Fifth sum. Page number 298. See children, I already told to go through the sum very carefully before doing the sum. See, you want to erect a pole of height 10 meters with the support of 3 ropes. You have to erect a pole of 10 meters height with 3 ropes. So we have to tie 3 ropes. Each rope has to make an angle of 30 degrees with the pole. What should be the total height of the rope required? So here you understand what we want to erect a pole. So this is the ground and this should be the pole. We have to erect with 3 ropes, like you have seen pyramid, no? Triangular pyramid. Triangular pyramid, if you see two sides and one will be back, and 3 ropes. How can we have to balance? For example, this side maybe one rope, I don't know the rope length x, and maybe this side another rope. These are the same because it is making an equal angle 30 degrees. Where should be the third rope? So it should be like this here, outside. This side if you come, you have to mark like this. This also x. We cannot, 3D shapes we cannot draw on the board. You have to imagine like a pyramid, triangular pyramid. So now we have to see what should be the total length of the rope, that's all. Okay, each rope making an angle 30 degrees. Okay, this is 30, this is also 30, and here also 30 degrees we have to imagine. So first let AB be the pole. We know it is 10 meters height. Next, we have to write like this. Let AB be the pole. Now what is BC? Rope. BC, BD and BE something. Those are the length of the rope. So BC, CD and BE. Length of the ropes. Angle of elevation is 30 degrees. Angle of elevation is 30 degrees. Now see children, I have opposite side and I want hypotenuse here. What do you want here? Hypotenuse. So opposite side and hypotenuse relation is sine only, no? So better to take from triangle ABD or BAC, from triangle BAC, sine 30 degrees is equal to how much? Opposite AB by BC. AB by BC, that is but opposite by hypotenuse. Sine 30 degrees how much? Half. Opposite how much? 10. By hypotenuse means x. So if you do like this, next you go for cross multiplication. X into 1x, 10 into 2. Therefore, x is equal to 20. What is x? Therefore, length of a rope is equal to 20 meters. But I want 3 ropes. That's why 3 into 20. Total length of the ropes is equal to 3 into 20. 60. Therefore, length of 3 rows is equal to 3 into 20, 60 meters. So this you have to imagine 3D shapes and 3 rows we have to draw the diagram and apply it carefully. So when you are writing, you maintain a note in the notebook so that you can revise easily. Diagram is the must. Okay children, next we will go to 6th sum. Now we'll go to 6th sum. So 5th sum, 4, this is the row. So I have used sine formula and from that I got 1 row there because I want 3 rows we got. So now we'll go to question number 6. What is question number 6? You read it. Suppose you are shooting an arrow from top of a building of height 6 meters to a target on the ground at an angle of depression of 60 degrees. What is the distance between you and the object? Draw the diagram very carefully. You are shooting an arrow from top of a building. The target is below, under the ground, on the ground. So, angle of depression is given. To you and the object, what is the distance you have to find? Now draw the diagram very carefully. Now this is 6th sum. So let it be the building and ground. So AB is the building. From here to here, shooting an object which is on the ground. So at a height of 6 meters, building height is 6 meters. To a target on the ground at an angle of depression. So if you draw a horizontal line here, the angle of depression is 60 degrees. Now automatically according to parallel line theory here also 60 degrees. Here it is the target. This is the target from where you are shooting here. Then I marked as C. Target is C. Now what it does, to you and the distance between you and the target, let it be X. Now you have to find X. See here also, you have to find the hypotenuse. Then you have to go for sine or cos according to the information given. Now we know that to the angle if you see opposite side only. So opposite by hypotenuse is sine only. No. Now we go for sine. Now right is given. Let AB be the building. If you write steps, you can understand clearly. AB be the building and the target C be the target. Angle of elevation is 60 degrees. Angle of elevation is 60 degrees. And BC is the distance between you and the target. Distance between you and the target. Now from triangle what one? Triangle BAC. Yeah. Sine 60 is equal to, sine 60 degrees is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. That is 6 by x. So what is sine 60? Root 3 by 2. Now I want x only. I bring this side. This fraction I take that side. Now automatically what happens? Root 3x is equal to 6 are 12. X is equal to 12 by root 3. To remove that root, I will multiply with the root 3 on numerator and denominator. So the answer is 12 root 3 by 3 and which is equal to 4 root 3. Therefore, the distance between you and the target is 4 root 3 centimeters. So once again I am saying children, AB is the building. We are shooting from the top of the building. So that's why angular depression is 60 degrees and the target is on the ground at C. The angle is 60 degrees. And now the distance between you and the target is X. To find that, I used the sign. By using this, I got the distance is 4 root 3 centimeters. So finally you should write therefore The distance from you and the target is 4 root 3 centimeters or meters. 4 root 3 meters. Okay, now we'll go to 7th sum. So very easy. Now we go to 7th sum. Read the sum, children. What is 7th sum? An electrician wants to repair an electric connection on a pole of height 9 meters. Okay, pole height is given 9 meters. He needs to reach 1.8 meters below the top of the pole to do repair work. What should be the length of the ladder which he should use? He should take the ladder. So what should be the length of the ladder he should use? When he climbs at an angle of 60 degrees with the ground, what will be the distance between foot of the ladder and foot of the pole? So it should be very clear. First of all, the question is draw an electric pole. Again same like AB, electric pole. Okay. Now total length 9. Total length of the pole is 9 meters. Okay, 9 meters. Next, he needs to reach 1.8 meters below the pole and here to come down somewhere marked as C, and 1.8 meters he should come down. Then he will put this is the base, and he will put the ladder like this. Ladder. It is making an angle 60, I think. Yes, 60 degrees. Then I mark it as D. So AB is the pole, actually 9 meters length. BC should reduce the height, and CD is the length of the ladder. AD is the distance between foot of the pole and foot of the ladder. Now this also I want. I will mark it as X. Okay. Now here we have to find two quantities. When he climbs, what should be the length of the ladder and what will be the distance? Both we have to find. So we'll go to 45 degrees, 60 degrees. Now see children, here if you see this opposite side hypotenuse, and we'll get one relation. Then if you take the 9 minus 1.2, then it is 7.2 AC. Up to here, AC. You can write AB be the pole, CD is the ladder, length of the ladder, AD is the distance. AC is equal to 9 minus 1.8, that is 7.2 meters, and finally DA is equal to distance between foot of the ladder and foot of the tower. Foot of the ladder and foot of the tower. Foot of the pole. So first of all from triangle CAD, now I have to see this triangle. Now CAD, sin 60 is equal to AC by AD. That is root 3 by 2 is equal to 7.2 by x. If you do cross multiplication, it's called 7.2 into 2 by root 3. And to remove the rationalization, 7.2 into 2 root 3 by root 3 into root 3. So x is equal to 7.2 into 2 root 3 by 3. 3 table. 4.8 root 3, that is equal to 2.42, 4.8 root 3. As you know that root 3 value it is given as in first chapter 1.732. If you multiply, you will get the answer 8.2. So what is x? Length of the your foot distance between you and foot. Therefore, AD is 8.3136. In the same way, you find the value of cos 60 because I want this adjacent side. To find adjacent side, I want cos 60. So I go for cos 60 is equal to x by, now ladder length is how much? Sin 60. This should be the x. Then I take it as AD. Then AD by x. Cos 60 value half. Then so AD is equal to 4 root 3. Then answer is 2 root 3. 2.4, 4.8 root 3 by 2. It is already 4.8 root 3. So I am writing it as 4.8 root 3. Then if you take 4.8 root 3 by 2, then it is 2.4 root 3. So this is length of the ladder. Length of ladder is equal to 8.3136. I took it as, therefore finally distance between foot is equal to 2.4 into 1.732. The answer is 4.1468. So once again I am saying, see here, CD is the ladder length and DA is the distance. So I am taking sin 60 opposite by hypotenuse. That is x. So x how much? 4.8 root 3. Then after multiplication we got like this. Same you apply here. So hypotenuse AD I took as it is AD by x. Then AD by, if you substitute you get AD as this. Now do 9th sum as homework or do exercise 4. Example 4, 5. Page number 297, 298.